how we really, how we can empower our operational managers with the right tools and strategies to leverage manufacturing methods, effective leadership skills, and SIM for sustained success in this dynamic and competitive industry. Next slides. What is actually manufacturing? Before we know how we build leadership, creativity, and capability in manufacturing and strategic innovation management, what we call it as IM, first we must know what manufacturing is. Manufacturing is a complex process that involves various stages, starting from the selection of appropriate raw materials or starting materials. These materials then go through a series of manufacturing processes, which require the use of machinery, tools, power, and labor. During the manufacturing process, value is added at each stage as the raw materials are transformed into a complete part of product. However, it is important to note that during this process, there is also the generation of scrap and waste, which needs to be appropriately managed to minimize its impact on the environment. This is very important. The impact on the environment. So overall, manufacturing plays a significant role in the economic growth. As I mentioned from the beginning, what is actually manufacturing? So manufacturing plays very urgent, very significant, very important role. In what term? In the economic growth. We're talking much about economic growth. Certain countries already go down, step down, or even not really increase much about the economic growth. So that's why today is very important. As it creates employment opportunities, again, in every country talking about employment opportunities. How about the productivity? Productivity also need to be enhances productivity, and contributes to the development of a vibrant and sustainable industry. How about the type of manufacturing process? Next slide, please. Next slide, please. This matrix illustrates the product variety in relation to the operation volume as the basis of consideration in mapping the type of manufacturing. If we can see at the low level of product variety and operation volume, we are familiar with job shop production that processes products on a small scale. At the next level, we are introduced to what is called batch production. Manufacturing refers to the process of producing goods through various methods such as batch production, mass or flow production, and process, or continuous flow production. Batch production involves producing products in specific quantities or batches, allowing for flexibility and customization. On the other hand, mass or flow production involves the efficient production of large quantities of goods using assembly lines and standardized process. Process or continuous flow production, meanwhile, focuses on the continuous production line where products are made in a sequential manner. These manufacturing methods can be analyzed using a matrix that considers product variety, where high variety allows for customization and low variety focus on standardized product and operation volume, where high volume focuses on producing large quantities efficiently, while low volume emphasizes flexibility and customization. That's the types of manufacturing process. The process actually very important to know. So now how about the manufacturing cycle? Next slide. When we are talking about manufacturing cycle, the manufacturing cycle is a comprehensive process that encompasses various stages, including design, prototype development, production, testing, quality assurance, logistics, support, and ongoing development. The cycle starts with the design phase, where the products are conceptualized and planned. Following this, prototypes are developed to test and feasibility and functionality of the design. Once the prototypes have been approved, the production phase begins, where the actual manufacturing takes place. During this stage, rigorous testing and quality assurance procedures are implemented to ensure that the products meet the desired specification and standard. After the manufacturing is completed, the logistic phase comes into play, where the products are transported and distributed to the intended markets. Additionally, ongoing support is provided to the customers to address any issues or queries they may have. Finally, the development phase involves continuously improving and enhancing the product based on customer feedback and market demands. So this cyclical process ensures that products are efficiently designed, produced, and delivered to meet customer needs and expectation. That's manufacturing style. So now how about the method? Manufacturing method. Next slide. There are 7 manufacturing methods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 manufacturing method. But production involves producing a fixed quantity and a product at a time, typically used for items with high demand but not in large quantities. The products are manufactured in batches, going through the same set of production steps before moving on to the next one. Continuous production, on the other hand, is the uninterrupted production of goods for items with constant and high demand. It runs continuously with minimal downtime between batches. Mass production is characterized by large-scale production using standardized processes and machinery, allowing for high productivity and reduced cost per unit. Lean manufacturing focuses on eliminating waste and maximizing efficiency in the production process, aiming to increase productivity and eliminate non-value added activities. Custom manufacturing involves processing unique products tailored to individual customer requirements, requiring flexibility in production process and often involving more manual labor and customization compared to mass production. Flexible manufacturing uses automated and computer-controlled system that can adapt to different product specifications, enabling manufacturers to produce a wider range of products with minimal downtime. Cellular manufacturing organizes production into self-contained units or cells, allowing for efficient small-scale production with self-sufficient and flexibility. Remember, flexibility. How about the component of SIM? Next slide, please. When we are talking about strategic information management, SIM, strategic management in business involves identifying opportunities to add new resources. This is very important. How to identify? When we have new resources, good resources, productive resources, how to identify whether we have opportunity. This is very important. And then explore new territories. After we knew that this is good resources, how to explore it? When we can explore, then how to reduce the cost? And also, the other important thing, inefficiencies, how to eliminate. Eliminate inefficiencies in order to gain a competitive advantage and sustainment in the market. Advantage and sustainment in the market. This process aims to improve the overall performance and position of the company. So remember, when we are in company, so performance is very important thing. So that's why we need strategic information management. For example, one strategic management goal could be to attract new customers. This can be achieved by implementing marketing strategies, enhancing customer service, and product innovation to meet the needs and preferences of potential customers. This is very important. How information, strategic information management that really can achieve the goal, how to implement in the marketing strategies, how about the product innovation that meet needs and preferences. Pay attention for this, the component of SIM. So another goal of strategic management could be to improve the quality, reliability, flexibility, and decision making within the organization. When we're talking about the organization, we are talking also the quality, we are talking about the reliability, we are talking about the flexibility, and we are talking about how decide it. So that's why that's we call it uh, that we call it potential customers that really what you call it uh, decision making within the organization. So we need the reliability, we need also flexibility, and we need also decision making within the organization. This may involve implementing quality control measures, streamlining processes, and adapting advances technology to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. Not this slide, please. Operator, still slide before. The slide before, please. Yes, this one. Please, would you mind to move after I may say to you to move and then move it? So now we are talking about the component of SIM. Not this one, please. Not this one, please. Before. This one, please. Yes, stop. Not this one. We are talking about the component of SIM, Strategic Information Management. Survival can also be a strategic management goal, particularly in a competitive market. Companies may need to constantly adapt to changing market conditions, customer demands, and technological advancement to ensure the continued existence of profitability. Strategic information management is an extension of strategic management that focuses on the relationship between information system and business strategy. So when we are talking about SIM, strategic information management, it means we are talking about strategic management that focuses relationship between what? Between information system and business strategy. Two things, information systems and business strategy. It examines how business can utilize information system and technology to achieve their objective. This is very important in this discussion. We have objectives, we have goal, and then we have information system and technology. So our job is how to utilize the information system and the technology. For what? To achieve the goal. That's why we need SIM, Strategic Information Management. By strategically managing information, organizations can improve decision-making processes, optimize operations, and enhance overall business performance. This entails aligning information system with the company's strategic goals and objectives to effectively collect, to effectively analyze, to effectively store, of course, distribute information within the organization. If I may conclude, strategic management in business in seeking opportunities, reducing costs, improving efficiency to gain a competitive advantage or sustainment. Strategic information management, on the other hand, focuses on the relationship between information systems and business strategy to achieve organizational goals and objectives. Both concepts are crucial for business to thrive in a rapidly changing and competitive environment. We are talking now about SIM vision. Next slide, please. Strategic Innovation Management vision. SIM actually is a comprehensive approach to driving innovation within an organization by incorporating various elements such as decision support, integrated project control, lean and agile reporting, and effective data management. Decision support involves utilizing relevant key performance indicators, so it's called KPIs, dashboard, and data analytics to aid in making informed and strategic decisions. This allows companies to have a clear understanding of their performance and identify areas for improvement. Integrated project controls refers to the implementation of an integrated system and project governance framework to effectively manage and control projects. This ensures that projects are aligned with the overall strategic objective of the organization and completed within the specified timeline and budget. So that's completed or be completed within a specified timeline and budget. So in this case, lean and agile reporting involves reporting by exception, focusing on small data collection and utilizing live data. This allows companies to quickly identify and respond to issues or opportunities, enabling them to be more agile in their decision-making and resource allocation. Effective data management is crucial in ensuring the quality and security of data. This includes maintaining data quality through regular checks, ensuring data security to protect sensitive information, and leveraging data to drive innovation and business growth. In conclusion, strategic innovation management, SIM, incorporates decision support, integrated project control, lean and agile reporting, and effective data management to drive innovation and enhance organizational performance. How about the strategy map? Change strategy map. We are talking about change strategy map. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Yep. Change strategy map. Strategic innovation management, as I mentioned from the beginning, is IM, encompasses various components such as change strategy, map process issues, data issues, and technology issues, with the aim of achieving a streamlined process, accurate live data, and decision support for obtaining a clear vision. Change strategy involves implementing a structured approach to managing and adapting to change within an organization. Map process issues involving identifying and addressing any inefficiencies, any inefficiencies, or challenges in the existing processes to improve their effectiveness. Data issues pertain to ensuring the availability of accurate and reliable data that can be used for decision-making purposes. Technology issues involve leveraging technology to automate and optimize various aspects of the innovation management process. By addressing these components, organization can enhance their ability to innovate, make informed decisions, and align their strategies with the desired vision. Next slide, please. What we need to building creativity and capabilities in the operational manager? What the thing that we need for that? Next slide, please. When we are talking about organizational design and capacity building, the process of forming creativity is influenced by expertise. Motivation and creative thinking skill. Expertise refers to a person's extensive knowledge and skills in a specific domain, which can provide the foundation for generating creative ideas. Motivation plays a crucial role in driving individuals to explore the possibilities, take risks, and persist in finding innovative solutions. So in this case, creative thinking skills involve the ability to think outside the box, generate unique ideas, and make connections between seemingly unrelated concepts. When combined, these three elements create a conducive environment for creativity to flourish, enabling individuals to come up with original and groundbreaking ideas. This vision of organizational design and capability building lies in reviewing various aspects of business to ensure its effectiveness and success. This includes examining the operating model to identify areas for improvement and streamlining processes. Determining appropriate metrics enables to the organization to measure progress and evaluate performance. A comprehensive review of the business helps identify strengths, identify weaknesses, identify opportunities for growth. That's very important. So assessing the work environment ensures a conducive atmosphere for productivity and employee satisfaction. Evaluating the alignment of business and technology ensures the efficient use of resources. Reviewing the organization structure helps optimize decision making and communication channels. Assessing people effectiveness ensures that the right individuals are in the right position and are equipped with the necessary skills and development opportunities. Lastly, if I may say, building an innovative culture encourages creativity and adaptability. This is very important. Building an innovative culture. We are talking about culture, right? What actually, what for when we build the innovation culture? To encourage creativity and adaptability. Creativity not enough. We need to adapt. So we need adaptability. Fostering an environment where new ideas can thrive. These elements collectively contribute to the continuous improvement and sustained success of an organization. Next slide, please. We are now talking about capability description. When we are talking about capability description, this essence of how people process and technology interact to realize a capability lies in the creation of an efficient and user-friendly experience. When people and technology come together, they form the foundation for a capability that is easy to use and navigate. That's very important. This is really, really very important and significant. When people and technology come together, that's on our daily life, actually. People meet the technology, come together, and they form the foundation for a capability that is easy to use and navigate. Technology and process, on the other hand, collaborate to reduce automation, streamlining tasks, and reducing manual effort. So lastly, if I may say, the collaboration between people and process result in works, ensuring that tasks are completed effectively and efficiently. So by combining these three elements effectively, organization can achieve a capability that prioritized ease of use, automation, and productivity. That if we are talking and discuss about the capability description. So would you mind to move to the other slide when we are talking about team manager and team members contributing needed results according to a plan. Next slide, please. So a team, a manager is responsible for leading and guiding the team towards achieving the desired results. The manager plays a crucial role in defining the objectives and goals of the team, as well as creating a plan to reach these goals. The manager also coordinates the activities of the team members and ensures that everyone is working towards the common goal. Team members, on the other hand, are responsible for contributing their skills, knowledge, and experience to the team. So each team member in this case, has a specific role and responsibility within the team. This is very important. Underline for that, emphasize for that, that each team member has a specific role, significant role, and responsibility also within the team, which contributes to the overall success of the team. So this is very important. Success of the team. That's the paramount of everything. What is that? The success of the team. Team members work together collaboratively to achieve the desired results according to the plan set by the manager. In order to achieve the desired result, the team must have the necessary capabilities. Remember that capabilities is very important. So the capabilities are developed through a combination of the process, information, technology, measurement or reward system, organizational structure, and people. So we are talking about processes, information, technology, measurement or reward, organizational structure, and people. Why processes is very important? Because these are the activities and roles that the team must perform in order to achieve the desired result. This includes management processes, core processes, support processes, and unique processes that are specific to the team's objective. Why the information is very important? Because this includes the data and information that the team needs in order to make informed decision and take appropriate action. Remember that, appropriate action. Informed decision, then to make appropriate action. So that's why information is very important. How about the technology? Why technology is very important also? Because this includes the IT system, tools, workspace that the team uses to carry out their activities and achieve their goals. That's very important because we need it, technology. Then measurement or rewards. This includes also the job design, team, and individual performance measurement and rewards that incentivize team members to work towards the common goal. Organizational structure. This includes the relationship between team members, the weight of the team within the large organization, and the accountability that team members have to each other and to the manager. And the last one, about people. When we are talking about Peter, why people very important? This includes the skills, knowledge, experience, and capacity of the team members. These factors determine the effectiveness of the team in achieving its goal. So we should aware that the ultimate goals of the team is to achieve a vision, to achieve a vision, which is the desired future state that the team is working towards. This vision is achieved through the implementation of strategies, operating models, and architecture that guide the team towards the desired result. If I may conclude, a team, a manager, and team members work together to contribute to the needed results according to a plan by developing the necessary capabilities and working towards a common vision. A team, a manager, team members work together. It's very important. Through effective coordination, communication, and collaboration, the team can achieve their objective goals and ultimately become a successful and thriving business model. We are talking about competency now. Competence. Next slide, please. Competency management maturity model. When we are talking about competency management maturity model, after being formed through a series of processes, a competency management maturity model will be obtained. Where there is a level of efficient, effective, business aligned, and drive performance. So if we see the composition of the organization at each level is 18%, 46%, 28%, and 8%. The level one organization classified as efficient make up 18% of the organization in this competency planning study. This organization do not have a formal competency planning or management program in place. They either do not have a structural process for identifying competencies for new position or job roles. Or they may have an ad hoc process in place. This lack of specificity and structure can lead to inefficiencies in talent management and development within the organization. The level two organization classified as effective comprise 46% of the organization in this study. These organizations are in the process of developing their competence planning and management program. They are working to define competencies for mission critical position or job roles within the organization. The level three organization classified as business aligned make up 28% of the organization, this study, these organizations have successfully aligned their competency model with the business goals of the organization. They have developed a proficiency scale that includes a set number of mastery level for each competence. In the level 4 organization, classified as drive performance, represent 8% of the organization. In this study, these organizations have fully optimized their competency planning and management program. They have fully developed and automated competency planning processes that include competencies, proficiency skills, and job profile for all mission critical job roles within the organization. So this competency or program have been fully communicated across the organization and is leveraged for most, if not all, talent processes. So this organization have a governance process in place to keep the competency model updated and aligned with the evolving business needs and goals of the organization. So this high level of competency planning and management integration allows this organization to drive performance and achieve strategic objective effectively. Next slides, we are talking about building block to operational excellences. The essence of the building blocks to operational excellency lies in its components, namely strategic development, organizational decision-making model, process excellence, performance management, and execution and delivery. Strategic development involves aligning the organization goals with its overall strategy and ensuring effective deployment of resources. The organizational decision-making, the decision-making models focuses on creating a structured approach to decision-making that consider various perspectives and encourages collaboration. Process excellence emphasizes the continuous improvement of business process. For what? To enhance efficiency and effectiveness. Performance management involves setting clear goals, measuring performance against those goals, and providing feedback and recognition to drive improvement. Remember that, guys. Performance management involves setting clear goals. We need clear goals. What is actually the goals looks like? So clear goals. Then measuring performance against those goals. That's very important to measure also. So finally, execution and delivery refer to the successful implementation and achievement of desired result. These building blocks aim to address the operational excellency challenge of increasing EBITDA by 1% across the business and fostering a culture of continuous improvement to sustain profitability. By implementing these components, organization can enhance the operational performance, optimize processes, and drive financial success. We move to the optimization, optimization, collaboration, and quantification. Optimization, collaboration, and quantification. Please, next slide, please. So when we are talking about optimization, collaboration, and quantification are essential elements in producing data insight and planning insight through forecast, plan, control, and review. Optimization involves maximizing efficiency and effectiveness in various aspects. This is very important. When we are talking about optimization, we are talking also how to maximize efficiency, how to maximize effectiveness. In what term? In various aspects of the operation to achieve the best possible outcome. The best possible outcome. Collaboration promotes teamwork and coordination among different stakeholders, enabling them to work together toward common goal. Quantification involves measuring and analyzing data to gain a better understanding of performance and identify areas for improvement. These elements contribute to the generation of data insight, which involve capturing and presenting data or performance at every level of the operation. So in this case, planning insight utilize historical forecast data to develop capacity plans, enabling organization to anticipate future needs and make informed decisions. Together, these processes and insight facilitate better decision making, facilitate smoother operations, and drive continuous improvement in an organization. How about the implementation and manufacturing methods, leadership, and SIM in building creativity and capabilities of operational managers? Next slide, please. The implementation of manufacturing method before the impact. The essence of the strategic pyramid, which consists of strategic, tactical, and operational levels, lies in its hierarchical structure that encompasses different time frames and levels of focus. At the top of the pyramid, the strategic level, we find the big picture or long-term focus, which ranges from 2 till 5+ years and includes elements such as the vision mission, why policies and direction set by the executive management. This level sets the foundation and overall direction for organization, moving down to pyramid. The tactical level is short-term focused, ranging from 3 months to 2 years, and is centered around specific business department. It is at this level that middle management executes strategic plans and identifies key initiatives to achieve the organization goals. So lastly, the operational level is where the day-to-day running of the organization takes place, focusing on the detailed processes and specifics required to achieve specific outcomes. This level is the responsibility of execution by teams and managers. By following a strategy pyramid, organizations are able to align their long-term vision with their short-term objective and daily operation, ensuring a cohesive and effective approach to achieving success. Now we are talking about the impact. Next slide, please. The impact of organizational capabilities. The impact of organizational capabilities. The essence of impact organizational capabilities lies in the integration of three core elements: organizational capabilities, strategy, and results. Organizational capabilities encompasses the vital aspects of the organizational culture, leadership performance, and strategic unity. These elements shapes the foundation of an organization's ability to implement effective strategies and drive performance. Strategy, on the other hand, consists of clear strategy formulation and understanding, strategy implementation, and change readiness. So guys, when we are talking about strategy, we should aware what is actually clear strategy formulation looks like. We should understand also what is strategy implementation looks like. How about the readiness when the readiness changes? Those are very important when talking about strategy. This ensures that the organization can effectively articulate its goals, execute action plans, and adapt to changing circumstances. The end results of impact organizational capabilities is gaining a competitive advantage, driving business performance, and effectively adapting to change. By leveraging these capabilities, organization can enhance their overall effectiveness, achieve strategic objective, and thrive in a dynamic business environment. So lastly, we move to the conclusion. Please, next slide. The process of developing creativity and capabilities begins with three main components: expertise, motivation, and creative thinking skills. Remember that: expertise, motivation, and creative thinking skill. Then the essence of implementing manufacturing methods, leadership, and SIM in enhancing the creativity and capabilities of the operational manager consists of five components. PPT1, which stands for people, process, technology, organizational structure, and measurement. Remember, we need people, we need process, we need technology, we need organizational structure, and we need measurement. And strategy implementation period involves both long-term and short-term. Strategy, operational, and tactical which are carried out by executive management, middle management, and team, including operational management. Remember that. Executive management, middle management, and the team. Also, operational managers. Then the impact of organizational culture, the leadership of operational managers, and the implementation of strategies to drive business transformation towards greater global competitiveness. Lesson learned that we can take it here is the significance of implementing manufacturing methods, leadership, and the use of simulation, what we call it SIM, in enhancing the creativity and capabilities of operational manager. This entails understanding the importance of adopting efficient and effective manufacturing methods to optimize production processes. Additionally, strong leadership is crucial in guiding and empowering operational managers to think creatively and make informed decisions to overcome challenges, drive innovation within the organization. Furthermore, the use of simulation provides a platform for operational managers to practice and hone their skills in a risk-free environment, allowing them to experiment, problem solve, and improve their capabilities. The lesson learned is that by integrating this key element, companies can go develop well-rounded operational managers who are equipped with the necessary skill, knowledge, and mindset to drive continuous improvement, adapt to the dynamic market condition, and foster innovation within their teams and organization. Thank you so much indeed. Moderator,
Thank you, Prof.
yeah,
Very
thank you so much
amazing.
indeed. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
lot
think that's
education,
all
Prof.
that I think that's all that I can share to everybody. Hopefully, uh, maybe this is one-way traffic, only speech from me.
Kita kasih
Then,
apa dulu Prof.
yeah, yeah, thank you so much indeed. That please keep studying and keep your research and good luck. So if you really permit me, I'm so sorry to leave first. Thank you so much
Okay,
indeed.
thank you, Prof.
Okay,
Budi.
okay,
See
bye
you
bye,
again.
bye
Oke,
bye,
kasih aplaus lagi. Kasih.
bye bye.
Yeah, today very amazing, guys. Are you hungry? No, not yet. Not yet hungry. Yes. Ayuni Putri, halo. Novi, are you ready?
Halo Bu,
Ya, bagaimana kuliah hari ini? Dari jam berapa tadi gabung?
dari awal Bu.
Dari awal, oke. Ayuni sudah sampai mana risetnya mengenai manajemen operasional? Ada yang bisa ditangkap dari materi hari ini untuk skripsinya? Ini ada yang lagi nyusun skripsi juga, manajemen operasional. Oke, Ayuni, bagaimana?
Ya Bu, kalau kalau progres Ayu ini sih masih nyusun bab 3 karena kan alat pengukurannya dirubah ya datanya dari data ordinal jadi data rasio gitu. Masih nyobain masukin data tabulasi datanya sih Bu, masih nyoba-nyoba dulu.
Oke, masih dami. Ya, terima kasih.